Ranger, 10-398, 10-398.
RCY 423. D23.
She's actually only one traffic. Sometimes a victim might have.
D23. 272. Eastbound, Mississippi. Robert Charles Young 423. Displayed on a black C300 Mercedes-Benz.
Mostly the black Mercedes was out with. The guy was doing a gun out and took off. Passing the 273.
Wrecked out.
Motherfucker, you about to get shot! Hands up! Hands up!
spaghetti they're fine with. But if they, like chicken pot pie, what in God's name is that? Like, why you got it all mixed and mashed together, Mom?
So they like it to be separate on the plate, huh? They like each thing its own thing.
Yeah.
You have those little, like, cafeteria trays that are all divided up.
I got 2.
Yeah. I mean, they don't want stuff to touch. That's
Well,
a great way.
they don't mind if it touches each other. It just can't be mixed in.
And see, I know somebody that puts like
Just make sure he ain't got another gun on him.
What do you mean, 3 different things?
Okay, let's say you have a grilled pork steak, all right, mac and cheese, and green beans. They will take the mac and cheese, put it in a bowl, put the green beans on top of it, and then
Robert Jones, Young 423. Get in.
efficient. If you don't want to eat a bunch of different
10-4, 10-16, also fire ready tonight. 10-4. I'll let you know in just a second. We may need to more.
Damn, shit. Dude, I'm telling you, the size of those sandwiches.
You couldn't even finish the Italian.
Italian, and there's so much meat on it.
I've never seen you not finish it.
Right. And I couldn't finish it. There's so much meat on it. It's insane.
Yep, and satire, sandwich, this week's you like a lot of meat in the mouth. The Lenny's, it's nothing like a hot dog during the summer. That'll put some meat in your mouth.
Like, chili dog or heck yeah.
The legend, the Lenny's has the local legend, the chili dog.
Wash it down with the watermelon lemonade.
Yeah.
So go by Lenny's and get you a watermelon lemonade, a hot dog, and just not be hungry anymore.
Can I say that, that watermelon lemonade is even better when you get home and mix a little bit and you be on your way.
If you download the Lenny's app, there is a secret menu coming that is
Lenny's Grill and Subs, Mrs. Ford, and this crowd.
I know that hiring can be challenging. You sort through tons of resumes and get too many so-so applicants. You're just waiting for someone to match your role perfectly. Well, now, there's a place where you can meet them Start your search for strong candidates. The right fit awaits. Build your team. Just head to ZipRecruiter.com/free right now to try it for free. And you're on your way to meeting your match. 4 out of 5 employers who post on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. So try it now. Go to ZipRecruiter.com/free. Once again, that's ZipRecruiter.com/free. Meet your match on ZipRecruiter.
no down payment necessary for your home means more offers.
If you're selling your house and want to have as much power as possible at the negotiating table, you need to hire our friend Josh Hysaw from Keller Williams Realty.
Josh and his team have a program that can help buyers get free down payments. Think about how many more people will be able to make an offer on your home with that kind of assistance.
More offers will lead to your home selling for a higher price. Josh is the only real estate agent in Memphis with a program that offers free down payments to buyers.
Sell your home for the most money possible. Call Josh Hysaw.
JoshHasTheBuyers.com.
All right, what's your name?
Ronnie.
Huh?
Ronnie.
All right, sit up and talk to me. Sit up. All right, now look at me. What's your name?
Ronnie.
Ronnie?
Yeah. Ronnie.
What's your last name?
Hudson.
Hudson?
Yeah.
All right. Date of birth?
3/24/67.
Yeah, I see. All right, lean forward. Lean forward. All right, turn and face these guys. You hear me?
Yeah.
Come on. All right, that's good. Stay right there.
What do you got going on?
My chest killing me, man.
Your chest is killing you. So what
I
happened?
ain't took,
You
I ain't took
airbag deployed? You hit the steering wheel?
I ain't took my medication.
What medication?
My medication in the car.
I'm saying, what is it for?
My high blood pressure and all that.
Well, when you get down to the jail, they'll be able to give you medicine. You're not going to get any of your medicine right now.
Okay, I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about my chest, man.
So you're not hurting anywhere from the injury, just chest hurting because you ain't taking medication.
My face.
Your face?
Yeah, my.
Let me check it out. All right, let me see. Other side. Okay. Say only place it's hurting is from his face. Said chest hurting because he ain't taking blood pressure medicine. So I guess he's saying it was already hurting.
In the chest. All right.